Hello, everybody. How are you today? Yeah, I'm also fine now. And today class is class number 6 of Microsoft Word documents. Okay. And now today I would like to share with you draw. And before tutorial, you can see this option. And today I'm talking about this option draw. And you can see a lot of option here. So every option we are going to know is advantage and basic part by part each every tools. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you your Microsoft Word documents. I don't talking here. Okay, now let's go. So everybody, you can see this is the Microsoft Word documents window, and now I'm going to draw option, and you can see there is lot of option here. Okay, the draw, and first option is eraser. I think you have an idea this eraser because I think you use this eraser since childhood. Yeah, I'm talking about your pencil draw eraser. Okay, this is the rubber type. It's kind of yes, rubber. Okay, and now we're going to see actually which pen what kind of draw. This is the rule. Okay, pen, and this is the another rule, and this is the pen, and this is the rule, the pen. Okay, and they have a option. Okay, you can change a color and you can change a size. Okay, and you can change more color. Here is more color. Okay, you can create your customized color. Okay, and this tool, and this is the highlighter. Okay, this is the highlighter. If you have any text here, you can highlight any text. Okay, and this is also highlight. You can change highlighter color. Okay, and these are pencil. Okay, I think you understand which pen what is purpose we are use. Okay, now I delete. Sorry, it's not delete, it's the erase. I all draw erase this option. Okay, just click here. Okay, and the next is a rule. Okay, this is the very important, and when you draw any shape, you can use this scale. Okay, so how can you do that? Okay, now I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna understand to you better. Okay, you can do every shape. Okay, so now I take this pen and I want to little bit down, and your mouse will just a little bit down here. Okay, now I would like to draw here. Just, oh sorry, just you draw this side. Okay, and now scale here, and this down. Okay, and you can see this is actually amazing. Okay, you can draw here any size, any shape. So this scale actually better than handwriting. And now I'm going to show you the next tools is format background editor. Okay, so I all this erase this. Okay, and this is format background. You can use any shape from here. Okay, so first shape is this is shape, and this on, this on, this on. You can do any table from here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you this is the ink shape. Okay, so ink shape is very important. When if you use these tools and you create a circle, but it's not a good circle. Okay, but if you use these tools, then you can create a circle easily. Okay, it's actually amazing. You see. Okay, you can do any circle, any circle. Okay, and the next option is into math. You can hear math. Okay, just you write here actually what you need. There is a 2 plus 1. You can see this here is amazing. Okay, and insert, you can see. And the next option is here. Okay, and the next option is drawing canvas. Now I delete all those things, and the canvas is safe, so you can draw under this area. If you out of this area, then it's not show your draw. Okay, just you see, so it's actually very amazing tools. Just you see under this area. Okay, and I think you understand all those tools, and you practice yourself, and I believe you gonna better skilled person. Okay, so have a good day.